Bitcoin tops $100,000 for first time on optimism over Trump's crypto plans. Trump pro-crypto Congress seen clearing regulatory clouds. Bitcoin rose about Bitcoin rose above $100,000 for the first time on Thursday as the election of Republican Donald Trump as President of the United States spurred expectation that his administration will create a friendly regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin has more than doubled in value this year and is up about 45% in the 4 weeks since Trump's sweeping election victory, which also saw a slew of pro crypto lawmakers being elected to Congress. It last trended at $100,027 as of not to 4 not GMT, up 2.2% of the previous session after yearly rising as high as $100,277. We are witnessing a paradigm shift after 4 years of political regulatory Bitcoin and the entire digital asset ecosystem are on the brink of entering the financial mainstream, said Mike Novogratz, founder and CEO of US crypto firm Galaxy Digital. This momentum is fueled by institutional adoption, advancement in tokenization and payments, and a clearer regulatory path. More than 60 years after its creation, Bitcoin appears on the cusp of mainstream accept- acceptance despite NASA year and a history of controversies. Bitcoin crossing 10,000 sorry Bitcoin crossing $100,000 is more than just a milestone. It's a testament to shifting tides in finance, technology, and geopolitics, said Justin D. Anathan, a Hong Kong based independent crypto analyst. The figure, not that long ago dismissed as fantasy, stands as a reality. Trump embraced digital assets during his campaign, promising, promising to make the United States the crypto capital of the planet and to accumulate a national stockpile of Bitcoin. Crypto investors seek an into increased scrutiny under US Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gray Gensler, who said last week he would step down in January when Trump takes office. On Wednesday, Trump said he would nominate Paul Atkins to run the Securities and Exchange Commission. Atkins, a former SEC commissioner, has been involved in crypto policy as co-chair of the Token Alliance, which works to develop best practices for digital assets issuance and trading platforms, and the Chamber of Digital Commerce, a slew of crypto companies including Ripple, Kraken, and Circle are jostling for a seat on Trump's promised Crypto Advisory Council, seeking a say in his planned overhaul of US policy. According to several digital asset industry executives, Trump's businesses may also have a stake in sector. He unveiled a new crypto businesses, World Liberty Financial, in September, although details about the businesses have been scarce. Investors have taken his personal interest in the sector as a bullish signal. Trump's social media company is in advanced talks to buy crypto trading firm Bucket. The Financial Times reported last week, citing two people with knowledge of the talks. Trump Media and Technology Group, which operates Truth Social, is close to an all-stock acquisition of Bucket, according to the FT report. Billionaire Elon Musk, a major Trump ally, is also a proponent of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin's rebound from a slide below $60,000 in late 2022 has been rapid boosted by the approval of US listed Bitcoin exchange traded fund in January this year. The Securities and Exchange Commission had long attempted to block ETFs from investing in Bitcoin, citing investor protection concerns, but the products have allowed more investors, including institutional investors, to gain exposure to Bitcoin. More than $4 billion has streamed into US listed Bitcoin exchange traded funds since the election. We were trending basically sideways for about 7 months. Then immediately after number 50, after number 5, US investors resumed buy hand over fist, said Joe McCann, CEO and founder of Agimetric, a Miami digital asset hedge fund. There was a strong debut for opinions options on BlackRock's ETF in November with call option bets on the price going up. Substantially more people, substantially more popular than puts. MC can calculated the put to call ratio at about 22 to 1. Crypto related stocks have soared along with the Bitcoin price, with share in Bitcoin miner Mara holdings up around 65% in November. Yet the rising is not without criticism. 2 years ago, the industry was marked by scandal with the collapse of the FTX crypto exchange and the jailing of its founder Sam Bankman-Fried. The cryptocurrency industry also has been criticized for its massive energy usage, while crypto crime remains a concern too. Market participants are keeping a close eye on what happens now that Bitcoin has broken above $100,000 with investors and speculators, speculators and possible looking to pocket some of their recent gain.